Did you know the amazing benefits of drinking rosemary tea daily? A fragrant herb native to the Mediterranean, rosemary not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also doubles as a potent tea with a plethora of health benefits. Imagine starting your day with a cup of warm, invigorating rosemary tea and reaping the rewards of better health and vitality. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we explore the top 10 reasons to include this remarkable tea in your daily routine. First on our list, rosemary tea helps boost your immune system. Packed to the brim with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, this humble herb is a powerhouse of health benefits. Antioxidants, as we know, are our body's first line of defense, fighting off harmful free radicals that can cause damage and disease. And rosemary tea? It's teeming with them. But that's not all. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties also play a crucial role in bolstering our immune system. Inflammation is often a response to an infection or injury, and by reducing inflammation, rosemary tea helps to protect and maintain the overall health of our body's immune response. So, next time you're reaching for a hot drink, consider swapping out your regular cup of joe for a warm, soothing cup of rosemary tea. You'll not only enjoy its unique flavor, but also give your immune system a well-deserved boost. In other words, a cup of rosemary tea a day keeps the doctor away. Moving on to the second reason, rosemary tea enhances memory and concentration. This might seem like a bold claim, but there's science to back it up. Rosemary tea contains potent compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. These compounds are not only antioxidants, but they also have neuroprotective properties. You see, they stimulate brainwave activities and improve the speed and accuracy of thought. They increase the flow of blood to the brain, helping to boost concentration and memory. Plus, they protect against neurodegenerative diseases by fighting off free radicals that can cause damage to the brain. Imagine this. You're preparing for a big presentation or studying for an important exam. You're feeling a little foggy and could use a boost. A cup of rosemary tea can give you that mental clarity and focus you need. So, if you're studying or working long hours, a cup of rosemary tea might just be your best companion. Thirdly, rosemary tea promotes digestive health. The fragrant herb is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerhouse of beneficial compounds that can help sort out a variety of digestive dilemmas. Feeling bloated after that hearty meal? Rosemary tea can be your savior. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling and discomfort. What about those awkward moments of gas? Well, rosemary tea can come to the rescue once again. It stimulates the digestive system to produce more bile, which aids in smoother digestion and helps to reduce gas. And let's not forget about indigestion and constipation. The essential oils in rosemary tea can help to soothe the digestive tract, easing these uncomfortable conditions. So you see, rosemary tea is like a gentle, herbal hug for your gut. It works behind the scenes to ensure everything runs smoothly, allowing you to enjoy your meals without worry. So, next time you're feeling a little off after a meal, consider sipping on some rosemary tea. Reason number 4, rosemary tea reduces stress and anxiety. Now, modern life can sometimes feel like a constant whirlwind of tasks, challenges, and deadlines. In the midst of all this, stress and anxiety can often sneak up on us. But don't worry, rosemary tea is here to help. The wonderfully aromatic rosemary has a calming effect on the nerves. Just the scent of this herb is enough to soothe your mind, reducing feelings of tension and unease. When consumed as a warm tea, rosemary can help to quiet the mind, allowing you to relax and unwind. It's like a gentle, natural tranquilizer without any of the side effects. The best part? It's as easy as brewing a cup of tea. So after a long, stressful day, a warm cup of rosemary tea might just be what you need to relax. Halfway through our list, rosemary tea promotes skin and hair health. Now, who doesn't want glowing skin and luscious hair? The secret lies in the potent antioxidants present in rosemary. These antioxidants battle against harmful free radicals, the culprits behind skin aging. By doing so, they aid in maintaining the skin's elasticity, keeping it firm, and reducing the visible signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. But the benefits of rosemary tea aren't just skin deep. It also plays a significant role in promoting hair health. How, you ask? Well, rosemary tea helps strengthen hair follicles from the root up, fostering healthier and more robust hair growth. And if you're worried about premature graying or hair thinning, rosemary tea can be your go-to remedy, as it's known to combat these issues as well. So, for glowing skin and healthy hair, don't forget your daily cup of rosemary tea. Moving on to reason number 6, rosemary tea supports respiratory health. This versatile herb is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the respiratory system. When we inhale the steam from a hot cup of rosemary tea, it can help clear our nasal passages and relieve congestion. Furthermore, the antioxidants found in rosemary can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. This is particularly beneficial when it comes to common respiratory ailments such as colds, the flu, or even allergies. The anti-inflammatory properties can also provide relief from symptoms such as a sore throat or coughing. For those suffering from chronic respiratory conditions like asthma, rosemary tea can provide some respite by reducing inflammation and helping to open up the airways. It's like giving your lungs a breath of fresh air with every sip you take. So, during those cold winter months, a hot cup of rosemary tea can do wonders for your respiratory health. 7th on our list, rosemary tea has anti-cancer properties. Now, let's delve into the science behind this. Multiple research studies suggest that this humble herb contains compounds that may play a significant role in preventing the growth and spread of cancer cells. These compounds, known as phenolic compounds, are powerful antioxidants that can protect our cells from damage. One such compound is rosmarinic acid, which has demonstrated potential in inhibiting the proliferation of certain types of cancer cells. Additionally, carnosol, another compound found in rosemary, has shown promise in its anti-cancer effects in preclinical studies. But it's important to remember that while these findings are encouraging, they are based on laboratory studies. The effects of rosemary tea in preventing or treating cancer in humans is still not fully understood. So, while more research is needed, the potential anti-cancer properties of rosemary tea are promising. Enjoying a cup of this aromatic tea could be a beneficial addition to your daily routine. Reason number 8, rosemary tea promotes eye health. How so, you might ask? Well, rosemary tea is rich in antioxidants, those tiny powerhouses that fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. These antioxidants, including carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, play a crucial role in safeguarding our eyes from damage. The free radicals we encounter daily, whether through exposure to sunlight or the screens of our devices, can lead to oxidative stress and in turn, eye diseases. But here's where rosemary tea steps in. The antioxidants it contains help to combat this oxidative stress, acting as a shield for your eyes. They can even aid in preventing age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss worldwide. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary tea can help alleviate dry eyes and other discomforts. So, for healthy eyes, consider adding rosemary tea to your daily routine. It's a simple step that could have a big impact on your eye health. 9th on our list, rosemary tea supports liver health. The liver is our body's detox powerhouse, filtering out toxins and waste from our blood. It's also our chief chemist, processing nutrients from food and making bile, a substance needed to digest fats. So how does rosemary tea fit into this picture? Well, rosemary tea has been known to stimulate bile flow. Bile is essential not only for digestion but also for detoxification. And as you can imagine, a healthy bile flow means a healthy liver. But that's not all. Studies suggest that rosemary tea may also help protect the liver from damage, potentially reducing the risk of liver diseases. Imagine that. A simple cup of tea doing all that work for your liver. It's no wonder that rosemary tea is a popular choice among health enthusiasts. So for a healthy liver, don't forget your daily cup of rosemary tea. And finally, rosemary tea helps in weight management. Weight management is a journey, and every journey requires the right tools. Rosemary tea could be one of those valuable tools. Its unique properties can aid in weight management in a couple of significant ways. First, rosemary tea is known to suppress appetite. It can keep those pesky hunger pangs at bay, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Less snacking means fewer calories, and fewer calories can lead to weight loss. Secondly, rosemary tea can give your metabolism a boost. A faster metabolism can help your body burn calories more efficiently, even when you're resting. That's right. You could be burning calories while you're sitting on your couch, sipping on your rosemary tea. So it's not just a delicious drink, it's a drink that could potentially assist you in your weight management journey. So if you're looking to shed a few pounds, a daily cup of rosemary tea might help. There you have it, the top 10 reasons to drink rosemary tea daily. From boosting immunity and enhancing memory, to promoting digestive health and reducing stress, the benefits are plentiful. It's a wonderful ally for your skin and hair, respiratory health, and even weight management. Its potential anti-cancer properties and support for liver and eye health make it a must-have in your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our other videos for more health tips. Remember, your health is your wealth.